welcome back to our channel. Today I like to share one of our favorite chamandi or chutneys, whatever you call it. It's very simple, very few ingredients, and it's so simple to make at home. Let's walk you through all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. The green chili that I'm using, it's according to your spiciness. So I'm using Thai green chilies. I got about 5 of them. Few pearl onions, a handful of them would do. Fresh curry leaves if you have any. Coconut oil and salt. That's it. It comes together so simple. Let's start the process. We're going to be using this in a mortar and pestle. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, use a mixie grinder, whichever one you have on hand. Okay, to this we're going to season this with salt. So this is well mixed. Now it's time to transfer all of this into a small bowl so that we can mix our coconut oil. To this we're going to pour some coconut oil. And that's how you make your green chili chutney. Very tasty. So good. Once you try it, you'll always want it. Alright, so our chutney is ready to go. So that means we seasoned with salt. We added, if you would like. If you would like only, you could use vinegar to balance the spiciness and the tart flavor of onion. Or when you rinse out that mortar and pestle, just use that water. And the rest is going to be oil, coconut oil. So it's that easy how to make your green chili chutney. It's very simple, just few ingredients. Try it and let me know in the feedback. I'll see you. Bye-bye.